Hey y'all, it's Yusra, your APTA Student Assembly Director of Communications. I absolutely love my job. I get to work really closely with the APTA communications staff to bring my own passions and my own personality into all the different tasks that I get to do. One of my favorite are the exchange chats via Facebook Live. So that is where I host a 1 hour long Facebook Live interview with guests from all around the world on topics of my choosing or the topics that you all submit. So for example, I've done Facebook Lives on telehealth. We've done one on best practices and ethics in PT, and we've got some really fun ones coming up about social media and about diversity and inclusion in this field. I also get to work with APTA communication staff on managing the social media accounts. So that means Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and then we also have a Pulse blog. The really fun thing about the Pulse blog is that I get to find student writers from all around the country, but I also get to write for the blog. So that for me is a very strong passion just because I have my own blog as well. So that's been really fun to bring that into this role. I have so much fun with this role. Like I said, I get to bring my personality into it. I'm from the South, so if you've seen any emails from me or any tweets that have the word y'all in it, that was from me. And for me, it's just been such an amazing way to connect with people like you all from all around the country and all around the world, and just to get to facilitate your questions and to get to put you in touch with whoever is most appropriate from the field and to get to meet so many fun people. It's been an absolute blessing. If you want to know more, you can contact me at aptasa.doc@gmail.com.